Another shoe stacks unboxing. Shoe stacks? Shoe stack. That's what I've been saying. Oh, I'm excited for this one. This is going to be good. Cool. Right. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's video, we're going to be covering shoe stacks, acrylic, like ultra clear side drop shoe crates. So if you're new to the channel, I upload every Saturday, so please consider liking and subscribing, and let's get into this box. So I've covered shoe stacks product previously on the channel, the LED crate, which I'll link in the top corner if you want to check that out. Really good products, highly recommend. This particular one is £40 and you get 2 crates in the box. I believe that when you get to £80, you start to get free postage. So really good system and well worth the money, and let's get into this a bit more. So shoe stacks products always come with their guidance. Oh, I've got some stickers in this one as well. Cool. So I've got a couple of stickers and other products which shoe stacks sell. So go check them out. I'll link it all down in the description as well. So let's get some of these out. With these displays and everything, they also have instructions on the back to how to build them. So we'll see how we get on without the instructions and go from there. So yeah, really cool product, really clear displays, which you know is fantastic. It really shows off the shoes. I've been using shoe stack products for many years, and as you can see sort of from the sides next to me, these are the original sort of display cases that they have. So you have the side drop, you can also get front drops as well, which I've got some more in my display in my room, but I thought for the purposes of this video I'll show the side drops and the comparison between the new sort of crystal clear acrylic compared to the older style ones. So there we go. Blimey, I don't know if I was just being really like too gentle, if they were a bit stiffer, but it goes all together now, so that's the main thing. Cool. So that is how it looks. I think that is super cool. That's a super cool box. It's going to look so good on display. That's how you open them up. So what I'll do is I'll build up the other one and see if I can fit them together a bit easier, a bit smoother, and then yeah, I'll film what it looked like in my actual display in my room, because obviously this isn't my actual display. This is a temporary setup for today's video. So yeah, I'll cut to when I've built the second one up. I reckon it was just me, you know. Yeah, these are going to be, these are actually clicking together a lot easier. I think it was just me, you know. So that's flying into place. Yeah, way easier. Okay, I think it was just me not having a knack to it on that occasion. A lot of further clicks as well, which is nice to hear. Cool. That's better. Look at that. That flew in that one, and it all works the same. So good stuff. What I'll do then is, and they're all clipped together nicely. I will put these into my display, take the stickers off them, and I will show you what they look like all together. So cut to me there. Okay, so I just finished putting the room back together with the new boxes in place, and I'm really happy with how they look. So you can see the difference between them and the rows there. Really happy with how they look. Like I say, I wish I had more of them, because I'll slowly start to replace the boxes, but with my little on the way, I can't really afford to do that at the moment. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me massively grow my channel. And yeah, comment down below if you've got any questions regarding these boxes or any other boxes I've displayed. I'm happy to answer questions, or message Shoestack directly, because they are fantastic with their customer service and they'll get back to you straight away. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you all in the next video.